What's the deal, fool? It's your boy Mike coming back one more time for the grind. Already. In order to replace the air dryer, you gonna need a good wrench, fool. Don't get a piece of crap. Get the best heavy duty, biggest filter wrench you can find, fool. It was on there so tight, it busted my old wrench, so I had to get a bigger one. That's why I recommend getting a good wrench, fool, because it'll just pop off with a little muscle power. That's all you need, fool. Now remember, fool. Counterclockwise, fool. Counterclockwise to get it off. Clockwise to put it on. The filter on the air dryer was filthy, fool. That's why I recommend changing, I want to say, every 75,000 miles. The dryer had water all on it and oil and other miscellaneous residue, so I decided to spray it and clean it with brake cleaner before I put the new filter on, fool. Now remember, fool, when putting on the new air filter, only tighten it hand tight. When you cut the truck on, the air will make it tight. After you tighten up the air filter, go on the truck and start it up. The truck should build air. And one last thing, fool. Always bleed out your air. You should have some air fittings connected to your primary tank and your secondary tank. Until next time. Aight, fool.